Parasite SEO, the gateway to easy SEO rankings and filthy, stinking, rotten riches. As filthy as a public restroom in a truck stop after a chili cook-off. But is it over? Is it as dead as a porn star's dignity?
No.
No, it's not. It's actually more powerful than ever, and I'm about to tell you why. And I'm even going to give you my cheat code at the end of this video.
You know, I halfway do movie mode just to get to the trolls. Greg, just get to the content, idiot. Stop doing what you want to do on your own channel. How dare I have some fun? I know. Time to get serious. No laughing aloud. This is serious business. So for real, what's the deal with Parasite SEO? Google announced during the March 2024 spam update that they would be targeting Parasite SEO. And man, did some of the most well-known Parasite SEO sites get hammered. Let's check it out. All right, so let's start with one of the most popular Parasite SEO sites over the last couple years, and that's Outlook India. Now, if we go to their traffic, remember Ahrefs traffic is lagged a little bit, usually by a month or two. But what we can see is they probably started offering Parasite SEO articles around here. Their traffic went from, under 2 million a month to at its peak over 22 million. So that's, a 90% plus increase in their traffic. Then all of a sudden, bam, they fall off a cliff. They're down to like 2 million. They've lost 90% traffic in the last, 6 months or so. And also another thing to point out, usually when Google announces they're going to be doing something or an update comes out, usually they target it before the update, and then it happens even more so after the update, just so you're aware. So let's go to another really popular Parasite SEO site, and that was sfgate.com, which was also crushing it as well. These were ranking everywhere. And we can see that their traffic was around 3 to 4 million a month, 3 to 5 million a month. And all of a sudden, bam, fell off a cliff. Now we're under a million. So they lost like 80% of their traffic. Now, the last one I'll show you is JPost. Now, out of the three, this one actually is working the best of the three, but they're starting to go down a little bit. And JPost had like a really fast increase, probably when they're, offering these Parasite SEO articles out of the blue. Then all of a sudden they kind of got to the game late and they started falling off a cliff here where they're now back to kind of where they started before. So those are three of the most well-known Parasite SEO sites. There's a whole bunch more, but definitely Outlook India and SFGate were the two big ones that took the biggest hit. So yeah, it is true that Google went after Parasite SEO and it got hammered. Well, kind of. Here's the major problem that Google has. Their algorithm is based off mostly authority, at least, for the high competition search terms, which really is what people mostly use Parasite SEO sites for. They use it to rank for highly competitive and highly profitable keywords quickly and easily. So is Google manually penalizing these sites, or did they totally change the algorithm? The problem Google has is that if they don't totally change the algorithm, then other high authority sites are just going to take the place of the penalized Parasite SEO sites. Let's dig deeper. So I'm doing a search for one of my affiliate keywords that I've gone after for a long time, best gold hour rate companies. I just want to show you some of the top results here. Now, we used to see a lot of SFGate and Outlook India and those types of articles on this first page. Now we see something a little different. So number one is cbsnews.com. Notice they got 500,000 referring domains. Number two, we have Forbes.com, 1.4 million referring domains. Number three, we have Investopedia with 450,000 referring domains. So what we see is still actually really high authority sites, actually even higher than the sites that got hit from Parasite SEO. But I want to show you something with these articles. Let's go take a look at CBS News first. I want to show you something interesting. So we'll take a look at their top rankings and note that Google still has to give people what they want. When someone searches for best gold hour rate companies, they're looking for the best gold hour rate companies. So they need some type of list and information about each company to figure out what's the best one. So Google still needs to serve these types of articles for this search term. Now, if we scroll down, we see that they recommend all these different companies. And what we'll notice is if we go click one of them, let's say like Goldco, for example, and we go take a look at the code in the link, we can see that the way these people are tracking, this is an affiliate link, okay? We can even see in their UTM source here that the medium is paid search. So what that tells me is that it's the traffic is through search, but they paid for the search. So what that tells me is someone probably paid for this article on CBS News. Parasite SEO still, right? Just at a different level. Let's go take a look at the other two really quick. Let's scroll down and let's look at Forbes.com. Let's bring up Forbes. And we're going to notice the same thing where they have a list of the best gold hour rate companies because that's what people are looking for. And we'll see the first company is a company that I'm affiliated with, Augusta Precious Metals. So I know how their links look. And look at this. In the code right here, affiliate ID or AFF_ID equals 2531. This tells me this is an affiliate link. So again, an affiliate paid for this article right here. Now let's go look at number 3. Let's go look at Investopedia. And let me bring this up in a new tab again. It's a list of the best gold hour rate companies. And we go down. Augusta is again number 1. We know what their affiliate links look like, and I guarantee you we're going to see the same thing when we do. Affiliate ID equals 277. So that tells me that now we just have different Parasite SEO sites in the top 3. But deeper, what exactly does this tell us? Well, obviously that Google is manually penalizing these Parasite SEO sites. But there's a huge silver lining here that is extremely important. There's a very common theme between the sites that got absolutely hammered, like Outlook India and SF Gate and JPost and many of the others. These sites were basically openly known to accept money for articles. Anyone could easily contact them, pay money, and get an article on the site. Now, reach out to CBS News or Investopedia or Forbes and see how much different it is. These sites will not just openly accept money for articles. The process is a lot longer and a lot harder to get articles on sites like these. But this is good news because guess what? Almost no one is willing to do the work to get articles on sites like this. So if you are willing to do the work, you can absolutely dominate, especially with Google cracking down on the known Parasite SEO sites. Now, there is still one very easy and free Parasite SEO option available. Now, if we go back to the best gold hour rate company search, and I scroll down a little further, what you're going to see is a LinkedIn Pulse at number 5. This is extremely important, and these guys actually don't even have any links going to it, so they just have a LinkedIn Pulse article, and they're ranking at number 5. And if I scroll down even further and we go to page 2, you're going to actually notice another LinkedIn Pulse at the top of page 2. And also another Investopedia article. Just side note, Google didn't used to do this. Before, they would only rank one article per site. Now they're actually allowing multiple articles per site, although, of course, we're seeing one on the first page, one on the second page in this instance. Now, I'm going to be totally honest with you. I don't know how long LinkedIn Pulse has. I can almost guarantee you that Google is going to handle this in some way. My guess is that they're going to ask LinkedIn Pulse or LinkedIn to no index the LinkedIn Pulse articles. And if they don't do that, they will likely get rid of them in some other way. But I think you should take advantage of them while you can. They can be very profitable and they can rank very quickly and very easily. They're extremely powerful. Then, of course, you can supercharge your Parasite SEO properties by sending links to them. My only link resource I use is in the description below. Literally like an SEO cheat code. So, is Parasite SEO dead? No. Parasite SEO will never fully die unless they change their algorithm. It can definitely get more difficult in terms of finding sites that you can get articles on, but in my opinion, Parasite SEO will live on for a long time. All right, that's all I got. Why are you still here? What else do you want from me? Go to gregsformula.com to get my free SEO mind map because I have nothing else for you.